Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you? I hope you are okay, safe and sound. Welcome to my channel Success Journey, and in today's lesson again we're gonna cover one of the lecture of the mathematics. And before starting the lecture, if you are new to my channel and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon until you receive all of my new videos and notifications. So let's start our today's lecture. In the previous mathematics lectures, I talked about laws of power, okay? It was kind of laws of power related to multiplication. While you're doing multiplication, and how would you work with power? But in this lecture, it's kind of division's law, okay? Division law. If expression is given in division, how would you work with and how would you solve that problem? Okay, laws of power, division law. To divide two expressions with the same bases but different exponents, keep the base the same and subtract the exponents. If you are given two expressions in division, okay, not in multiplication, if these expressions are having the same base but different exponents, you shouldn't have to keep the same base and subtract the exponent from each other. But what you did in multiplication, you were just taking, okay, the same base and adding up the exponent. But here you're just taking the same base, subtracting the exponents. The general form we have for look at here, it's kind of division, okay? We could also write as a to the power m divided by a to the power n. They are totally the same, okay? We're having different symbols for showing division. So a to the power m, a to the power n. If we look at the bases, a of course it is the same. And if you look at the exponents, they are totally different, okay? So what you shouldn't have to do, keep the same base, which is a, subtract exponents from each other, m minus n, where a should not equal to be 0, okay? It shouldn't be equal to 0. If here we have 0, then any number divided by 0 becomes 0. Sorry, undefined. It's undefined, okay? Then we can't solve it. We can't work with such problems. Look at here, I have written some examples. The first example, 4 to the 5th divided by 4 to the 3rd. This rule, okay? If we apply this rule, we get the result. How would you apply? Look at here, we have the same base, which is 4. 4 to the power 5 minus 3 equals 4 to the power 5 minus 3 becomes 2. 4 squared. 4 squared equals 16. 4 squared means 4 multiplied by 4 equals 16. I hope you got it. Look at the second example. 10 to the 500 divided by 10 to the 498. Of course, we are having the same base, and 500 minus 498 equals 10 to the power 2 equals 100. 10 to the power 2 means 10 multiplied 10 equals 100. Look at here, it's a little bit confusing, but don't get confused. Totally easy question. 2 to the 10th multiplied 3 to the 8th divided by 2 to the 9th multiplied 3 to the 6th. How would you solve? 2, of course, we are having 2 here and here in the numerator and the denominator, okay? If you look at here, this rule, just look at this portion. Isn't it? Of course, 2 to the 10 minus 9 multiplied by, then look at this, just and only this portion, okay? 2 to the 8 minus 6. So 2 to the 10 minus 9 equals 2 to the 1 multiply 2 to the 8 minus 6 becomes 2 equals 2 multiply 4 equals 8. I hope you got this question as well. So we did solve this example, okay? Look at here the next example. Of course, you can do it by your own, okay? But here it is used a little bit technique, okay? A trick. Don't get confused with. And if you are not new to algebra, then you could solve this question. So what we really shouldn't have to do is taking just and only one a, okay, as common a, and 6 minus 4, okay? Then here it becomes 6 minus into minus becomes plus, okay? 4 equals a to the power 10. The technique was here, okay? Some people might do it like 6 minus 4 equals a to the power 2. Okay, I hope you got it, okay? Minus into minus becomes plus. So look at the last example. 2 to the negative 45 minus negative 40, okay? Equals 2 to the negative 45 minus into minus plus 40. 2 to the negative 5. I hope you got about the first rule or the first law of power while doing division. Here, look at here the next law, okay? If we were given to the expressions whose bases aren't the same, okay, but their exponents are the same, what we shouldn't have to do to divide bases and take the same or keep the same exponent, okay? For example, look at here this example. How will you solve it? If we look, the bases are not the same, but the exponents are the same. So put a parentheses, taking the same exponent, okay, and divide it 2 over 5. This is our final answer. Or you could divide it, okay? Look at here the next example. What we shouldn't have to do, take a parentheses, 100, okay, taking the same exponent, and 20 over 10. 0 is cancelled out with 0. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. 2 to the power 100. Look at the next of this example, okay? Look, take a parentheses, taking just and only the same exponent, and negative 30 divided by negative 15. Negative into negative becomes positive, okay? 30 divided by 15 becomes 2. 2, 1. 2 divided by 1 equals 2. It is equal to the power 6. I hope you got it. This was the next law. If we have expression having the same exponent but not the same basis, dividing, we shouldn't have to divide the bases with bases, yeah, and keep the same exponent. So look at the next law, okay? If in division we were given to the expression whose neither their bases are same nor their exponent, okay, what we shouldn't have to do to simplify the numerator and then divide it by simplify the denominator, okay? For example, here, look at here, okay? 7, 6, not the same. 2, 3, not the same. What we shouldn't have to do to simplify first the numerator, okay? 7 multiplied by 7. 7 squared means 7 multiplied by 7. 6 cubed means 6 multiplied 6 multiplied 6 equals 7 multiplied by 7 equals 49. 6 into 6, 36. 36 into 6, 6, 6, 36. 6, 3, 18, and 4, 22. 23, yeah. 2, 36, okay? Sorry, 2, 16. 2, 16, okay? Look at here the next example. 5 over 3. Sorry. 5 into 5 into 5 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 5 into 5, 25, 25 into 5, 125. Divided by 3 into 3, 9, 9 into 3, 27, 27 into 3, 81. Look at the next, probably the last one, okay? 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. Divided by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 10 into 10, 100. 100 into 10, 1,000. 1,000 into 10, 10,000. Then 3 into 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. I hope you got it, okay? This was the next law. If you have any question, guys, share your question in the comment section below. And if you have learned something from this video, then give me a thumbs up, share this video with any of your friends, and also check out this channel for new coming videos, and I will see you in the next coming video. Bye for now.